Today's title is, Tornadoes are small but very dangerous. Typhoons bring strong winds and a lot of rain. The biggest ones are hundreds of kilometers wide. They can cause floods and mudslides. Tornadoes are different. They are small, but they are very dangerous. Typhoon number 15 hit Japan on Friday and moved along the Pacific coast. When the typhoon got to Shizuoka Prefecture, a tornado started in one town and pulled off the roofs and the walls of several buildings. Later, when the typhoon reached Hitachi in Ibaraki Prefecture, there was another tornado. This one lifted up a car and turned it over. Luckily, there was nobody in the car.
There are 2 questions, please answer them. Question 1. Are typhoons small? Answer. No, they aren't. Typhoons are hundreds of kilometers wide. Question 2. What happened to a car in Hitachi? Answer. A tornado lifted up a car and turned it over in Hitachi. Next, please express your opinion. Question. What do you think about the dangers of tornadoes? Example. I think tornadoes are very frightening because they can appear suddenly and cause serious damage to buildings and cars. Did you enjoy this story? Please subscribe to this channel.